My little Harrison milling machine suits my requirements pretty well in general, but it is probably a universal rule that occasionally any milling machine will be a bit too small for the job you want to do. Shortage of Z height is a common problem. By the time the vise is on the table and the work is in the vise, there can be little room left for the tool and the tool holder. I've been looking covetously at the 0Z tool holders as a partial answer to this, but they don't seem to be available in BT30 taper, and furthermore cost more than I really want to spend. A bit of CAD modelling shows that an ER20 collet is a pretty comfortable fit inside a BT30 shank, but I didn't really want one badly enough to make the special externally threaded collet nut, but then some turned up on eBay, on quite a reasonable price, albeit from Hungary with fairly expensive postage. I made a BT30 taper adapter for the lathe spindle some time ago, for just this sort of job. This is a shank that I had going square after comprehensively destroying a drill chuck. It has been waiting for a suitable project for a couple of years now. This is how it happened. I was using a homemade reverse counter spot phase boring thing. As you can see, I split the hood and it took a long time to sort out, and nothing was savable or salvageable really. My tenth indicator shows a couple of tenths run out, but it's not very convincing the way it moves. I've noticed that all the cool kits are using W and MG tips, and they do have the advantage of giving you 6 cutting edges per insert, but I do seem to manage to destroy more than one edge at a time quite easily. This is quite hard material, but that doesn't really display what's going on here. So I swapped the cheap inserts that came with the tool for a Sandvik one, and things went a lot better. I have a macro for putting chamfers on. Really wasn't working well, so I tried something else. This is an annular cutter from a magnetic drill. It won't fit in the chuck, but it fits okay in the boring tool holder. worked brilliantly well. Then some conventional boring, which I won't bore you with. Both tapers and threads are just trivially easier with a CNC machine. If only I could focus as well. I have both ER20 and ER16 externally threaded collet dots. The ER20 has 6 spanner holes and the ER16 has 4, and the pitch circle diameters vary too, so I decided to make special spanner to work with both. Then flip it in the vise and do the other side. After a polish and a bit of cold blue, it ended up looking quite fancy. And here is how the whole thing works.